can't mash up in that. One stone chop and you can't mash up it up.
Let's say, I'm here, see you.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hey, what going on, people? There again, you know? Blessed man, I respect each and every one. Alright, people, so why you take a look at a piece of paper when we say in a video that I'm about to present to you. I see some words, Paddy. So I say, I'm going to listen to some words that a person said in this video that I'm about to present to you, because in the video, maybe a person said the word police, and maybe the person said the word ticket. The people, pay attention to the piece of paper that I can see in the video. Look at the words them and listen to what the person said. Observe.
People, look at this. Look at this. Right? Inefficient or no rear view mirror. Alright, look on the comment. Mirrors turn inward. One time, you get ticket when you no mirror for your bike, right? Now you have the mirror then turn. I say mirror then turn now. So the mirror then turn.
You see paper?
So then turn.
You
right?
see paper?
Which part of this turn? Well, I mean it turn inward. But the man, me can't see back of me, brother. Eh? Yo, them police I just want to find sitting for ticket here for brother. One time it was no mirror. Right? And now you have the mirror and it's still a blood ticket here. Mighty God, right, people, help us.
So we could take a look on the words that we see on the piece of paper. Alright, so offense. I'm going to say what? Insufficient or no rear view mirror. Then look at the part of my comment. Mirrors turn inward. And I think you hear some words that the person say in the video. What do you think about that? At one point, I wonder if this is a real ticket. Yeah, I wonder if that piece of paper is a real traffic ticket at one point. Because, my people, tell me what you think about that. I'm going to move on to another topic. So, I say, that's a one topic right there. So, my people, now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person with a type of thing over the person's mouth. I got the understanding from the video that the person's hands was behind the person while someone was talking to the person, but the video didn't clearly show certain things, so I'm not jumping to a conclusion. But anyways, so I got unconfirmed information that the video that I'm about to present to you, and at least one other video that I'm about to present to you, is about a situation claiming that at least one person had been accused or caught in the act of stealing. My people, let's take a look at these pieces of videos. Tell me what you think about a situation like this. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Look, listen, observe.
You in there? Then take care of a man do, kick off a man do and sitting. Upon my brother house, I'm here to get hype. And when I come to see window gun, I say nothing, somebody just come in and just go and load and go and search in the next youth. And one time I come, couple of we come and start search and we just that out in the bush so we not ready yet.
Listen.
I know everyone 2 o'clock I check in the morning and see that this is fine. And see that Stanley car this. See that? Stanley car. A Stanley car this. A video man. Yeah.
So that's one piece of the videos. Take a look at the next piece of video. Observe.
Let's say, I'm here to say, I'm here to see you. I'm here to see the man come and know you. Come here to say, he's a different man. Type of certain man. Alright, now he's a different man.
Come here. Okay.
Yo.
When me come up to blood clot and me spin around and me kiss your blood me say me a
Then you see him, you cut that song, I forgot good up on him when you see him. And you say, we are there, man.
Gummy, see paper. Go me see paper. I do know my youth. Look how much land on old people they have. When they can go chop down and bomb up like brother.
Yes, no,
Look how much bomb up like blaze by have up there where you not to plant. You know see if you know see if you know top line a top one. I pre my own blood clot. You can't have to come out the road, you know. I know enough time to see my man and father in argument. I'm not pre like that.
Okay, so there's a part of the video me hear when the person says some words was saying something, but it's like me not clearly hear the person say. So let me turn up that part here. Let me just turn it up some more and tell me what you think you hear. More you listen to that part here with me. Tell me what you think you hear the person say. Listen.
Type of certain man.
Alright, now if
Hold on. One more time.
Type of certain man.
Alright, now if
Now people, if what I hear is what I think the person might have said, yeah, I'm gonna say might have said because I don't really want to go tell a lie to nobody. Alright, if I'm hearing correctly then what the person might have said this say something. Yeah, if me hear correctly, because when me think me hear, anyways, what I put over the person's mouth to the people? Listen me, look, what do you think was put over the person's mouth? It's set away. Overall, though, I don't understand certain things what go on in the world still, my people. It just set away. See, If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now my people, so the next video I'm going to present to you, I hope that this video can bring some form for awareness. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a damage to motor vehicle. The video is also going to show what I call a large rock. See me? The people, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about any injury or anything like that. But I listen to some words that a person said in this video, and I want to make it very clear that I'm not able to confirm if the words that the person said in the video are accurate or true pertaining to what the person talked about. I'm just presenting the video to you because the video caught my attention. I didn't get much confirmed information about this, but based on what me hearing in the video and so forth, OMG. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Yeah. Yo, me everything me say the fuck somebody dead. Doing a roll from up in a bush there, sir. Yeah, gonna go. Yeah. You're right, man. You can't get sponge at home. You don't see how explode. Yo, you can't mash up in the dog. One stone chop when you can't mash up it. You're done. You don't have blue man, ladder.
That's it.
Stone chop when you can't mash up your whole life.
That's it.
Right, don't we start Sinelli. You want stone chop when you can't tell him.
Jesus.
Right, don't go, Tasha. You can't mash up dog. It's done. Done, boy. New brand motor. Dog, all the engine bust up, everything. Engine dog grim.
Huh?
You watch it up smoke, yeah.
You hear some words of the person saying in the video? Hey man, some people. The people, please try and be safe. You know, just try your best to be safe. As a man say, just be very careful out there. Man, I tell you, John. Based on the words of me, the person saying in that video there, man, I think certain ways. Eh? The motor vehicle had been, I'm going to say it had been badly damaged a certain way. Anyways, I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.